Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to check your pages you like activity history in Facebook. If you're curious about the pages you recently joined or liked, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded on your device. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Play Store and type Facebook into the search bar. Look for the white F logo on a white background. Tap on it, and then hit the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in with your Facebook credentials. Great! You're all set up. Now, let's find your pages you like activity history. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it to proceed. Excellent. Now within the settings, scroll down until you see the Your Activity section. Tap on it to access the activity log. Perfect, you're almost there. Within the activity log, look for the blue icon with the words Pages You Like. Tap on it to reveal the pages you recently joined or liked. And voila! Now you can see all the pages that you've newly joined or liked. It's a great way to keep track of your interests and stay connected with the content you love. Just a reminder. This feature displays the pages you've liked or joined, but it doesn't show the activity of others on those pages. That wraps up today's tutorial on checking your pages you like activity history in Facebook. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.